Every morning, a new world is born. Every day, a new chance. Now it is the golden opportunity of Providence to invite the honorable audience to this jubilant function. First and foremost, I invite the president of today's function, His Eminency Dr. Sebastian Vadakir, the Bishop of Ujjain. May I take the privilege of briefing the personal. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the dignitaries to the mega event.
Prudence. Today is a momentous day in the history of our school. Looking back over the years, an institution like this was in need of the hour when it began. 24 years, the young minds of this small town yielding fruits for the society and the nation, now being acknowledged and appreciated by everyone. The very presence of you all, the evidence of this fact, gratitude and joy wells up in our hearts as we page through the annals of Providence Convent School and see the 25 silver years of blessings, God's providential care and love is seen at each stage of development and growth.
ज्योति जला तू ज्योति जला तू मन में मेरे तेरे पावन वचनों से मन का दीपक बुझ ना पाए रोशन कर दे जीवन में ज्योति जला तू मन में मेरे तेरे पावन वचनों से स्वरूपा जग का त्राता तन मन में बस शांति दाता शांति स्वरूपा जग का त्राता तन मन में बस शांति दाता शांति रोशनी फैलाओ प्रभु तेरी शांति का वाहक बन प्रभु
On life is a journey. The path we take, what we look back on, and what we look forward is up to us. Honorable President of today's function, Your Excellency Mar Sebastian Vadakkal, Bishop Diocese of Ujjain, distinguished Chief Guest Ms. Madhavi Nagendra, Honorable SDM, our special guest Mr. S.P. Singh Bissen, DEO District Rajagat, dear esteemed guest of honor Mr. Gautam Tetwal, our MLA, Reverend fathers, sisters, brothers, parents, teachers, students and all others present here. At this historic event of Providence Convent School's completion of 24 years, I am privileged indeed to be amidst with you to extend a hearty welcome to you all. First of all, with gratitude, I bow my head before the Almighty for the numerous blessings Providence Convent School has received from its very inception down through the years. Today, your assembling here and my being here and very existence of this school itself are the wish and will of the God Almighty. Once again, I welcoming you all. Thank you, Jai Hind.
common sense?
Okay, Tom, don't tell. Let it be. Let me see today's headlines on Hindu.
Yeah, that is a great idea. Read it loudly for me also. Wonderful and joyful Jubilee greetings of this Augustum gathering.
Indeed, Jubilee is a time for reminiscence, jubilation, thanksgiving, and rededication.
Yes, it is a very common saying that a man without a smiling face must not open a shop.
Yeah, of course, smile is a curve that sets everything straight, wipe and wrinkles away. So release this program and become young.
Let us go to a zoo for a while.
चुन चुन करती आई चिड़िया ढाल का दाना लाई चिड़िया मोर भी आया कौवा भी आया चूहा भी आया बंदर भी आया चुन चुन करती आई चिड़िया भूख लगी तो चिड़िया रानी मूंग की दाल पकाएगी भूख लगी तो चिड़िया रानी मूंग की दाल पकाएगी दाल पकाएगी कौवा गोदी लाएगा लाके तुझे खिलाएगा मोर भी आया कौवा भी आया चूहा भी आया बंदर भी आया चलते चलते मिलेगा भालू हम बोलेंगे नाचो कालू चलते चलते मिलेगा भालू हम बोलेंगे नाचो कालू नाचो कालू नाचो कालू मुन्ना ढोल बजाएगा भालू नाच दिखाएगा मोर भी आया कौवा भी आया चूहा भी आया बंदर भी आया चुन चुन करती आई चिड़िया ढाल का दाना लाई चिड़िया मोर भी आया कौवा भी आया चूहा भी आया बंदर भी आया चुन चुन करती आई चिड़िया चुन चुन करती आई चिड़िया ढाल का दाना लाई चिड़िया मोर भी आया कौवा भी आया चूहा भी आया बंदर भी आया चुन चुन करती आई चिड़िया
Chilling program. I feel that children are like wet cement. Whatever falls on them makes an impression.
Oh Tess, why are you so sad?
I don't know.
Don't you know? What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared with what lies within us.
Have you heard Sultan Jashin or John F. Kennedy?
Yeah, I have heard about them. Here we present before you a junior John F. Kennedy. A junior John F. Kennedy.
Education is an important aspect of life of an individual. The main aim of education is self-realization, and development of good character requires the development of proper value system. Thus, education and values are inseparable. Education enables an individual to discriminate between good and bad. This sense of discrimination is based on values, and their values are tested in the schools. All these characteristic values I imbibe from my Providence Convent School through the inspiring spirit of our Providence Mata, the seat of wisdom. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thanks.
Yes, really, a patriotic is the one who dare to think, dare to try, dare to fail, and dare to succeed. By the way, would you say some synonyms for wisdom?
I cannot, but I can bring the demonstrations of wisdom.
I am steadfast and work in perseverance and faithfulness is my friend. I am holy. I don't give chance to unholy things in me. I am not vulnerable to any evil tendency. I am crystal light and clear like a small stream. I am spotless and the reflection of the goodness. The synonyms of wisdom. Silver Jubilee greetings. Thank you. Sister,
Tom, let me ask a question. What is the difference between interest and commitment?
When you are interested in doing something, you can only do it when it is convenient. For example, yourself. When you are committed to something, you accept no excuses, only results. For example, myself and Milton. At 12 years, we already find the boy a scholar in spirit, unable to rest after midnight because of the joy with which his study was rewarded.
Enga pore ni Tamil pesiya va we present before you inni se va meetha meetha the blending of classical mudra yeah inni se
கருவில் இருந்தோம் கவலையின்றி கண்ணோடி கிடந்தோம் ஓம் கரையில் விழுந்தோம் விழுந்தவுடன் கண் தூக்கம் தொலைத்தோம் அப்போது போன தூக்கம் என் கண்களிலே எப்போது வந்து சேரும் விடை தோணலையே ஓம் கருவில் இருந்தோம் கவலையின்றி கண்ணோடி கிடந்தோம் ஓம் கரையில் விழுந்தோம் விழுந்தவுடன் கண் தூக்கம் தொலைத்தோம் கருவில் இருந்தோம் கவலையின்றி கண்ணோடி கிடந்தோம் அப்போது போன தூக்கம் நம் கண்களிலே எப்போது வந்து சேரும் விடை தோணலையே தண்ணீரில் வாழ்கின்றோம் நாம் கூட மற்றவதாரம் தோம் கருவில் இருந்தோம் கவலை